Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice Diophantine equation. 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over ab is equal to 1 over 4. Our job is to find all possible values of a and b such that a and b are positive integers. So let's start. First we multiply both sides of this equation by ab. 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over a times b is equal to 1 over 4, and we multiply both sides of this equation by a times b. At the left hand side we multiply by a times b, so this will become ab times 1 over a plus ab times 1 over b plus ab times 1 over ab is equal to this 1 over 4 times ab will become a times b over 4, and from left hand side this ab will be cancelled with this ab, this b will be cancelled with this b, and this a will be cancelled with this a, and this b times 1 will become b plus a times 1 will become a plus this 1 is equal to a times b over 4. Now to remove fractions we multiply both sides of this equation by 4. At left hand side we multiply by 4, so this 4 times b will become 4b, and 4 times a will become plus 4a. 4 times 1 will become plus 4 is equal to this 4 will be cancelled out with this 4, and at right hand side we are left with only a times b. Now we move these two terms 4b and plus 4a to the right hand side, then this implies that a times b minus 4 times b minus 4 times a is equal to 4. Now from these two terms ab minus 4b we can factor out b, so b as common factor, in bracket left a minus 4 minus this 4 times a is equal to 4. Now because here we have a minus 4 as a factor, so we add 16 to both sides. This will become b times a minus 4 minus 4 times a, we add 16 at the left hand side is equal to 4, and we add 16 at the right hand side. Next, b times a minus 4. From these two terms negative 4a plus 16 we can factor out negative 4, in bracket left a minus 4 is equal to 4 plus 16 will become 20. Now as you can see this expression a minus 4 is a common factor, so we factor out this a minus 4, and in bracket left b minus 4 is equal to 20. Now because a and b are positive integers, which means that a must be greater than or equal to 1 and b must be greater than or equal to 1. So this implies that this a minus 4 must be greater than or equal to negative 3, and this b minus 4 must be greater than or equal to negative 3. So we factorize this 20 as 1 time 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, 5 times 4, 10 times 2, and 20 times 1. It means we have 6 cases. This is case 1, this is case 2, this is case 3, this is case 4, this is case 5, and this is case 6. First we solve this case 1 time 20. In case number 1 we write these factors: a minus 4 times b minus 4 equal to 1 time 20. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 1. This b minus 4 is equal to 20. From this equation we get the value of a is equal to 5, and from this equation we get the value of b is equal to 24. So from this case we get a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 24. Now we solve the second case. In the second case we write this 2 times 10. In case number 2 we write these factors: a minus 4 times b minus 4 equal to 2 times 10. So this a minus 4 is equal to 2, and this b minus 4 is equal to 10. From this equation we get the value of a is equal to 6, and from this equation we get the value of b is equal to 14. So from this case we get a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 14. Now we solve this third case: 4 times 5. In case number 3 we write these factors: a minus 4 times b minus 4 equal to 4 times 5. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 4. This b minus 4 is equal to 5. From this equation we get the value of a is equal to 8, and from this equation we get the value of b is equal to 9. So from this case we get the value of a 8 and value of b 9. Now we solve this fourth case: 5 times 4. In case number 4 we write these factors: a minus 4 times b minus 4 equal to 5 times 4. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 5, and b minus 4 will be equal to 4. From this equation we get the value of a is equal to 9, and from this equation we get the value of b is equal to 8. So from this case we get a 9 and b 8. Now we solve this case number 5: 10 times 2. In the case number 5 we write these factors: a minus 4 times b minus 4 equal to 10 times 2. So this a minus 4 will be equal to 10, and this b minus 4 will be equal to 2. From this equation we get the value of a is equal to 14, and from this equation we get the value of b is equal to 6. So from this case we get a 14 and b 6. Now we solve the last case, case number 6, 20 times 1. In case number 6, we write these factors a minus 4 times b minus 4 equal to 20 times 1. So this a minus 4 is equal to 20, and this b minus 4 is equal to 1. From this equation we get the value of a is equal to 24, and from this equation we get the value of b is equal to 5. So from this case we get the value of a 24 and b 5. So the final set of solutions of a comma b will be equal to, first pair is 5 comma 24, and the second is 6 comma 14, and third is 8 comma 9, and fourth is 9 comma 8. First pair is 5 comma 24, and the second is 6 comma 14, and the third is 8 comma 9, fourth is 9 comma 8, and fifth is this 14 comma 6, and the last one is 24 comma 5. Fifth pair is 14 comma 6, and the sixth pair is 24 comma 5. This is the final answer of this problem.